Okay, we ready?
Did you turn it on?
Not yet.
Oh, I'm nervous.
Okay.
Carry more than you can hold. And while you're out there getting where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you and wants the same things too. Yeah, this is my